Well, it's 10 to 5 now. This is my third set off the bar. Finally, they're straightening it out. I've been wrestling the current here for the last hour or so. Nice out. The last set I just brought in is a pretty good bunch, but I don't know how many I haven't picked it out. I just laid this one out there. Try it for a while. Tide's not until after dark tonight, but I figured I was going to fish until about 5:30 or 6 and go across. Yeah, finally getting rid of them winds. Yeah, another lovely day on the river. Well, I gotta get at this net and get this cleaned out.